Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can hide an app icon on iPhone. Let's begin. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, go to the home screen, select the app which you want to hide, hold down the app icon with your finger till the Actions menu opens, tap Require Face ID, then tap Hide and Require Face ID. By tapping the Hide app on blue background, the application is deleted from the home screen. If you need to access the application, open your App Store. You'll see the hidden application by clicking the Apps menu. If you like my video, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a nice day.